Hello, Lee Mallett from Mallett Buildings this afternoon. I got my trusty right-hand person right here, Jayleigh. She's going to ask a few questions. Isn't she pretty? All right, let's talk about these buildings. First of all, I always like to remind you that a home improvement registered or home improvement handyman, whatever you want to call them, are not the type of people you want to use. Use a licensed contractor. Always remember, use a licensed contractor. You can go to the LSLBC site, and it'll pull up, it'll tell you whether or not he's a home improvement handyman or a real licensed contractor. Now, Jayleigh, you got a couple of questions?
Yes, sir. So the first one is, what areas does Mallett Buildings assemble buildings in?
She asked me, what buildings do we build buildings in? Well, all of Louisiana. We go all the way, probably somewhere, sometimes all the way to Houston, sometimes, it just depends, but all the way to College Station, all up in that area. And then we'll go into southeast Mississippi occasionally. You got another question?
How long does it take for a customer to get their buildings built?
Well, if you come in today and you buy your building, you're going to have 15 days for the designer to get the drawings to you. After the 15 days, you take that and you go get your permit. After you get your permit, it's going to take 3 to 4 weeks for us to have a building on your site. You got anything else?
No, sir.
Well, that was good. That's all we got for this afternoon. I hope you enjoyed. I'm glad y'all got to meet Jayleigh. And we'll see y'all tomorrow morning. And you can always call us at 337-515-2154 or call us at the office at 337-214-0428. Have a nice evening.